Sony and Honda's 2026 Afeela EV sedan wears updated styling at CES. Sony and Honda's joint venture, Afeela, has revealed an updated version of its electric sedan concept at CES 2024. The revised Afeela features production-ready cues like traditional side-view mirrors instead of cameras and more substantial headlights. Afeela also released specifications, with the sedan packing a 241 horsepower electric motor on each axle and DC charging at speeds up to 150 kilowatts. At CES 2023 last year, Sony and Honda surprised the automotive world with a new EV brand called Afeela, the product of a joint venture called Sony Honda Mobility that will unleash an electric sedan on American roads in 2026. Now Afeela is showing an updated version of its prototype at CES 2024, with the four-door EV looking far more production-ready, and has released a slew of new powertrain information. 2026 Afeela EV Sedan. Sony Honda Mobility. Listed at 193.5 inches long, the latest Afeela prototype is about 2 inches shy of a 2024 Honda Accord, but with a nearly 7-inch longer wheelbase. Compared with the original prototype shown last year, there are some noticeable changes. The thin cameras sprouting from the A-pillar have been replaced by traditional side-view mirrors, and the headlights and grille trim piece are also thicker than before. The charging port door on the front fender has grown in size, and the indentation along the rocker panels and the rear bumper have also been restyled. The cabin appears largely the same as the original prototype, but the center console is a bit larger and the steering wheel and rear-view mirror have been slightly redesigned. There are also 2 wireless phone chargers and what appears to be an inward-facing camera perched atop the full-width screen. 2026 Afeela EV Sedan. Sony Honda Mobility. Advertisement, continue reading below. Afeela has also published drivetrain specifications for the sedan, which were absent from the reveal last year. The Afeela will be all-wheel drive, with permanent magnet synchronous motors at the front and rear. Each is rated at 241 horsepower, but Afeela doesn't provide a combined horsepower rating, and calculating total output typically isn't as simple as